PA. PDW. Underway. 7-pin for Petey. Ouch. Yeah.
How do you want to start?
Petey saw what Walter Ray did in the first match, and Petey's just missed it, guys. How about that? An open for Pete Weber.
So's more.
It just shows you how slick the lanes are down lane.
Way to go.
And his 19th open frame this week overall.
This is good here.
Yeah, he was able to post that one, meaning
I got him, Mark.
keep his balance when he hit the foul line. And, you know, Pete did get 2 really bad breaks. I mean, let's be honest. So Stone 7, then he comes back, and yeah, okay, maybe he pinched a little bit, but he paid the ultimate price with a 4-9. I mean,
Bad breaks in a row. Come on, man.
he looks for a 3rd straight strike. And we'll have it.
Don't you do it again.
As the 7 falls late, and he's found his rhythm after a disastrous start.
They gave me one back there.
Oh, I don't know, Petey.
Bad shot.
That shouldn't even have been in question. Well, bad shot. He got it in, but apparently he's throwing the right ball and playing the lanes properly. Pretty aggressive bowling ball he's throwing there, and when you flip around the side of a real aggressive bowling ball with soft speed, it really breaks loose down the lane, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's